So,
Alright, my rigid light just showed up, a 20-inch radius, so we're going to do an unboxing video. Let's go. Alright, here's my rigid light just showed up. It's a 20-inch Radiance. It's gonna go on the front with the 2019 Ford Ranger. I'm gonna make brackets for it. It's cool. It's got the background. You can get any, not any color, but they have, say, white, blue, red, green, and amber. It's pretty cool. Here's a rigid 20-inch Radiance. Get your wiring harness here. And this box says, packaged by Veronica. Thanks, Veronica. The rigid Radiance. The 20-inch rigid light. It's the Radiance. So they come with different backgrounds. They have white, blue, red, green, and amber. I got the 20-inch because I'm gonna make it fit in the part of the bumper where I'm gonna make brackets. And the harness comes with 2 switches, inline fuse, relay, and battery leads. And it's saying here recommended for the forward projecting. This is a 20-inch, so 15 amp fuse, and the backlighting, they're all 3 amp fuse. That's pretty cool. I'll make another video, so I'm gonna make some custom brackets where they bolt to the factory bumper brackets behind the plastic. So I'll post a video when I'm making the bracket.